Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. We're coming to you from Inishannon. The house behind us, it was a 1970s build, D2. Come on inside and let's see this new remodel. Oh my God, look at that internal window. The minute you walk into this home, you're connected straight away with that kitchen. And the views looking straight through over the valleys. I absolutely love it. Our clients, they bought this house. They've never ever lived here, but they got Sigma Homes involved. We needed to come up with a new design. We got planning permission and today we hand over this stunning new home. I can't wait to show you around. The minute you come into this room, you know exactly you're in the movie room, that big television, that sound surround, that dark, warm flooring. I'd love to sit back and watch a movie here. I love this light fitting. On our right here, this is the main event. This is the family room where it all happens. But before we go in there, I've got to show you a few more fun rooms. We've got the utility room, we've got the office, and a magic door. That door turns out so well and it's so easy to use. We're now in the office. Offices are so important at the moment, but the views from here are stunning. What a good buy this house was. I can't wait to show you the utility room and we've got some bonus space. We're now in the engine room of the house, the utility. I love how this design has come together. The connection straight with the outside, our working sink, the machines are all at eye level, making it so easy to work. Save that back. And we're back into the hallway again. We've still got 2 more levels to show you. I can't wait. We've got 4 bedrooms with en-suites, but look at this staircase. It's oak, it's solid, and it's beautiful. Look at the glass panels. Come on, let's take a look. It's moments like this, you think back at that very first phone call I had with the client. They bought the house and Sigma Homes was excited to take on the challenge of making this their dream home. We've been around the ground floor, we're now upstairs. I can't wait to show you the next bedroom. So this is the very first bedroom. It's the one of 4. I absolutely love that brick effect. It really gives this room loads and loads of character. That warm carpet. This is such a cozy bedroom. The minute you walk into this room is that window. It pulls all that natural light into the hallway. But take a look at the floor. Watch these tiles climb the wall. They're stunning and they're fun. This is bedroom number 2. A little bit bigger, lots of room for that study, all that homework. I love that wall. There's lots of words here. I love it. And we've still got 2 more bedrooms to go. Our next bedroom has got its own ensuite, a change in flooring. Come on, let's take a look. I love the feel in this bedroom. Loads and loads of space, but it's different. You can see we've gone from carpet now back to flooring, give you that different taste. I love that view. I can see straight through into the back bedroom. I can see all that warm brick. Again, look at the fun feature wall we have here. I love this. Look at the color, look at the texture. And it runs up the side of the wall here, around that window, framing it. What a beautiful shower, what a beautiful bathroom. And it just seems to get better and better. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Oh my God, I love this master bedroom. Look at that view. Could you imagine waking up to that in the morning? You would jump straight out of bed. Let's have a look at the walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. Straight away you can see we're in the master ensuite. I love the texture of these tiles. Double vanity unit, saving any more arguments. Look at that big bespoke mirror bouncing all that light around. Again, a luxury warm tile. This is a beautiful room. So we've still got 1 more level to go. It's the snug. It's where you go to get away from it all. Come on, let's take a look. I really like this attic den area. What a cozy room. Look at all those light features. It feels so warm and inviting. It's brilliant. When you want to get away from it all, have that private time, have that private space. This is fantastic. I still haven't shown you the main family room, the kitchen. Come on, let's go downstairs and take a look. This was the original kitchen. This is where the home office is now. It just didn't work. It was lacking all that space. You can see it's quite tight. This is leading into the old utility room that's all about to change. finally, we're in the heart of the home. This is what it's all about. The underfloor heating, that big window that's creating that connection. The minute you come in, it's wow. I love this wood effect. It works so well with the granite, but we've got to take a look at this. This is the Bora. This is a Sigma Homes fan favorite. What's all the fuss about? Instead of the steam going up, it actually goes down. No more big extraction hoods. It allows you to have all this beautiful lighting. But look again, the connection with your sink and all that workspace. And we've still got two fun features in this kitchen. What could it be? Is it the pantry? Not this time. It's the coffee dock. This is where you can keep all your goodies, the snack bars, all the treats. But most importantly, when people come over, all you've got to do is close the doors and it is lovely and clean. Come on, let's take a look at this deep pantry. Lots of space and it goes on and on. You can see there's lots and lots of glass here, and with one click of a button, all these blinds come down, give you that nice cozy feeling. I love this. We've gone from a D2 to an A2 rated home. We've used external insulation, air to water, and we've claimed all the grants for the homeowner. What an amazing transformation. But I'm about to show you what the house looked like before and what the key design features that make this property really work. Let's take a look. So, knock knock, you come in the door and on your right you had your living and lounge. But look at the disconnection you had from the kitchen. It was totally separated, it was isolated, it was lonely. Let's take a look at the new design. Straight away, one of the key design features is we moved the front door with a big side light. Once you come into that hallway, that's where the magic begins. This big window overlooking all that beautiful kitchen, overlooking all the landscape and the mountains. Key feature. Once you come back into the hallway, we're moving back into the home office. That's where the kitchen once was. Remember that magic door? That leads us straight through into the utility and the main downstairs bathroom. This design worked really well. Our clients are on their way, and I want to take this opportunity to say a special thank you for choosing Sigma Homes, for trusting Sigma Homes. I'm excited to offer our 10-year warranty, and I can't wait to share that journey with you.